Hello, my name is Sithya Amana Mahmood. I'm in 7th grade. I go to Medina Academy, a school in Windsor. My project is called A Novel Homemade Water Filtration and Disinfection System using a science spinner dynamo and a high-intensity light-emitting diodes. My hypothesis is filtration and disinfection of dirty water can be achieved by a homemade water filtration system using a science spinner lined with cloth, a dynamo to generate electricity to the LED bulb so it would shine in the water and kill all the microorganisms. Water is one of the most important natural resources in the world, but access to clean water is a problem facing many people. Drinking contaminated water can result in bacterial infections such as cholera. Up to 135 million people could die by 2020. In my experimental setup, I got a silent spinner, a dynamo, and an LED bulb. A silent spinner is a spinner that drains water out. For example, if you have wet salad, you put it inside the basket and spin it so the water would drain down. A dynamo is a device that generates electricity. Inside a dynamo, there's two magnets and a coil around it. So whenever this wheel turns, the coil turns inside the dynamo and makes the magnets react to each other. So it would generate electricity to the LED bulb. The LED bulb is a bulb that has different kinds of spectrums. My LED bulb has a UV light. The first step of my experiment is experimental setup. In my experimental setup, I got my silent spinner, carved a hole to put the dynamo, put a piece of styrofoam to make it tilt, and attached the positive and the negative wires, and then attached the LED bulbs. And then I carved 3 holes. This is the 3 holes with the LED bulb shining in the water. And this is a picture of the LED bulb on the side of the spinner. Step 2, I got nylon, armored spandex, muslin, and cotton. This is how it looks. I put it inside the basket and spun it through. I did this part of the experiment without spinning. Step 2, I did it with spinning. The third step, I did it with all 4 materials. It looks like this. Step 5, I tested different amounts of times for 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 120 seconds. For step 6, I plated it on agar plates, pre-made agar plates. I took pure water, dirty water, and filtered water with UV exposure. Pure water had 0 colonies. Filtered plus UV exposure water had 20 colonies. Dirty water had more than 5,000 colonies. This reduced 99.6% of the bacteria in the plates. Then I took the plates and took pictures and made my results. A future study might be involving working to improve the percentage unto 100%, try using different kinds of filter materials that is available in developing countries, and try using different kinds of LED bulbs with the HINS spectrum in it. Thank you.